Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel, Sean Specialties. If you're new here, thank you for joining me today. And remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell and enable all notifications so you can watch more of my videos. And well, let's get right into it. It's Halloween week and we're making Ghost S'mores dip. And here are the ingredients. You need 2 cups of chocolate chips. You need 1/4 cup of heavy cream. And you need 13 Ghost Peeps, and you place them all around. So here we go. We already have the 2 cups of chocolate chips in. Then we drizzle on the heavy cream. And it looks great. And there we go. Put that over here. And then we place on our Ghost Peeps. And this is 13. I hope everyone is getting ready to go trick-or-treating, have their costume picked out. Tell me in the comments what your costume is and if you're going trick-or-treating. And I personally am going to be in Army Special Forces Green Berets. And yeah, it's really fun. And here we go. And yeah, now we put it over into the oven. And it's at 375 for 15 minutes. There we go. I already have one made. And it's right here. It looks really good. And sometimes the eyes come off the Peeps like this. So I have some black icing. I already put it on there just to look, and you can serve it like this for your guests, and they look really good. And then you just grab a graham cracker and you dig right in. So I really want to try this, so let's try it for you guys. That's so good, guys. It's the Halloween spirit. It's 3 ingredients. The simplicity and the greatness of this dish is really good. And remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more of my videos. And see you guys.